Hi, welcome to this video. What is NFC and how to use it on iPhone? NFC stands for Near Field Communication, is a wireless technology that allows your iPhone to exchange small amounts of data with other devices or physical tags over a very short distance, like a few centimeters. It is the foundation for touchless features like Apple Pay, transit passes, digital hotel keys, and scanning smart tags. On the most modern iPhones like iPhone XR, XS, and newer, the NFC reader is always on by default. You do not need to hunt through settings to turn it on. Your device will automatically detect tags or readers when necessary. So, how to use NFC for contactless payments like Apple Pay? Open the built-in Apple open the built-in Apple Wallet. All right, let me type wallet. Okay, tap the plus button. Let me hit here. Plus button. Go ahead. And add your credit or debit card. Right? And pay at the register. Look for the universal contactless symbol on the checkout terminal. Double click the side button on your iPhone or the home button on older models with Touch ID. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID and hold the top of your phone near the reader. Now, how to use NFC for scanning smart tags. Many everyday items like smart posters, museum displays, or digital business cards have NFC tags embedded in them. So simply wake your iPhone screen, unlock the phone, and hold the top of your phone near the tag. Your iPhone would automatically read the tag and display a drop-down notification, e.g. launching a website in Safari. And basically that's it. Now, how to create custom NFC animations. You can use smart NFC stickers available cheaply online to trigger actions in your home or daily routine. Open the built-in shortcut app and tap the automation. Let me find the shortcut. Yeah, here. Sorry. And tab the automation, basically tab at the bottom, right? Or excuse me, here, animation bottom. Hit new animation and search for NFC. Just type NFC. To scan, tap scan, hold your phone to your NFC sticker to pair it, and then assign a task such as turning on your smart lights or starting a specific playlist. So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel.